All right, let's talk about auto pricing. Look, at Burghardt Sporting Goods, way back in the day when we started doing this stuff, everybody would have to just list out all the products that they were going to sell on their web store, and then manually go in, log in, figure out the cost of that product, apply a margin like 66.67% to that base product, and then apply a decoration charge like $5 for screen print or $8 for embroidery. That takes a lot of work. So what that does in the salesperson's mind is it makes them offer less products or price less products or not do it correctly or skip steps. We realize that at Burghardt Sporting Goods and say, look, this sucks, man. This sucks for everybody. Let's create something with this Chipley platform that allows the salesperson to not have to do all that math every single day. What auto pricing does is it allows the salesperson to log into Chipley, add all the products that they want in their web store to the web store, and then consider pricing all at once. So rather than logging into different B2B websites, finding out the costs, applying the margin, adding all that other stuff, all they're gonna do is go into their global view on Chipley, view the MSRP of all those products, and then apply an auto price discount globally to everything. So if you have Under Armour products on your store and you wanted to give a 15% discount applied, then you're gonna have a whole bunch of maybe Sanma products or something else on your store, and you're gonna apply a different discount to those, maybe 10% off, applied. So I'm not doing any of that math, I'm maintaining my margin, and I'm also letting the computer sort of do the rounding for me too. And then we're just gonna add the decoration cost. So if you're doing screen printing and you wanna charge $5 for that, you just put the $5 in one spot, you hit save, and you wanna charge something else for embroidery, maybe $8 or $10, you're gonna put that in one spot, apply all of those products, and then everything is combined, your price is completed, and you're ready to go. So from the salesperson's perspective, or the administrator, whoever's building these web stores, obviously it's a total win, right? You just relieved yourself from having to do all this work. You're gonna allow Chipley to help you automatically price all of your products, and that's going to allow you to add more products to your web store, sell more products on your web store, and move on to the next thing. As a business owner, you might be thinking, oof, do I really want Chipley to be pricing my products for me? That's not the case at all. Really, we're just giving you a tool to apply that same pricing algorithm that you're accustomed to using on regular paper orders or anytime you've priced products in the past. We're just giving you that tool to apply those discounts or pricing structure inside of Chipley so that we can help you take more control over how your sales people or your store builders are handling the pricing of products when they're getting ready to launch a web store. So for example, on a dealer global setting, you're gonna look at all the vendors that you have available to you, and you're gonna say, all right, here's what I want my salespeople to do. Here's what I want my admin to do. And you're gonna apply that discount off of MSRP, and we'll help you figure out what that number should be if you're accustomed to doing the math in the reverse order. Totally fine. Then we come up with a math equation that everybody's happy with. We apply that on a global dealer setting, and then boom, the salesperson just has to click the button and they're automatically adhering to what you wanted them to do anyway. So your discount that you're getting from Adidas or Under Armour or Sanma or Augusta might be different, and that's totally fine. You're allowed to be flexible, apply those percent discounts based on vendors, and then we also give you the ability to have a regular sort of common web store price and then drill that down into maybe customer tier 2 or tier 3 or tier 4, where maybe you have, rock star customers or corporate accounts or things like that that might get a different application of that discount, and you're allowed to choose those as well, apply them to your dealer corporate setting inside of Chipley, and then again, your salespeople or whoever's building web stores can go ahead and analyze that information and price their products, and again, just move on with their store, start selling stuff. Part of our job at Chipley is to help figure out how our platform can help improve your already existing and positive business model. Part of that has to do with this auto pricing structure. We've found through conversations and getting to know dealers and their routines that a lot of people are going and hunting for that cost number and going up from cost to get to a margin or to a percentage that they're gonna sell on that actual sell price. What we're doing with auto pricing on Chipley is we're actually taking the MSRP number that we can all agree on the platform and applying a discount percentage to that that MSRP. So it could be 0 or 5 or 10 or 20 or 30% off of MSRP, and then rounding to the nearest number based again on a corporate dealer setting. To get to that number, or to get to what the correct percentage is sometimes a challenge. And that's where we come in and we can analyze and say, well, how would you price that product normally? And let me challenge you to price it using this automated module. And did we come up with the same number, or do we need to readjust our margin? And both of those things are really helpful in correcting incorrect margin structure you may have been living with and not knowing about, or just being able to take that old way of thinking and converting it into something that's going to allow people to not have to do all of that math every single day and take advantage of the automation that Chipley is providing. One of the best parts about Chipley is that we'll collaborate with you and team up with you, your business, your salespeople, figure out what's going on, and then apply tools that we already have or that maybe we need to build together to help automate, save time, and then eventually grow your business. That's the whole point. So give us a call or send us an email today. We'll teach you how to use auto pricing. We'll show you some of the best practices between dealers and industry leaders, and we'll get it going with you.